Good day, my name is Queenie Joyce Miano, and for today I will be discussing about Procter and Gamble Company. Let me first discuss the company background. The company was formed in 1837 when William Procter and British candle maker and James Gamble and Irish soap maker merged their business in Cincinnati. P&G has a daily use products in 10 categories. These are the fabric care, home care, baby care, feminine care, family care, hair care, skin and personal care, oral care, personal health care, and grooming. So basically, all companies have a mission and vision, and Procter and Gamble, the mission is to be the best consumer products and services in the world, and their vision is to provide branded products and services of superior quality and value that improve the lives of the world's consumer, now and for the generations to come. Next is internal environment. The company's internal environment characterized by the following. The first one is the emphasis is placed on a customer's understanding. Then second is P&G is committed to implementing the newest technologies within the operational cycle of its manufacturing facilities. That's why P&G have become more advanced to their technologies to improve their products and services. The third is the company approach to dealing with the competitive challenges in concern with the continual expansion of its brand portfolio. Yung P&G kasi parang naging yung mga challenges nila sa mga kunwari mga weaknesses nila parang pinag-improve pa nila para mas okay yung flow ng services, para mas okay yung products, para maging mas okay yung internal environment ng company. The third one is external environment. The following is the threats of new entrants. Ito yung mga for example is yung economic of sales, strong brand portfolio, yung R&D and renovation, mga ganon. And next is bargaining power of suppliers. Para example nito yung mga number of suppliers, switching costs, supplier differentiation, like that. And third is bargaining power of supplies. Parang ito naman yung what you call this, parang number of buyers, tapos switching costs ulit, mga ganun. Tapos ay papasok din dito yung customer loyalty. And fourth is threat of substitutes. Ito din yung product differentiation. Pasok din dito yung customer loyalty, yung availability. And last one is industrial rivalry. Siyempre, sa company, di talaga mawawala yung mga rivalry, ganyan, yung mga competitors, price wars, yung consumer behavior, siyempre, pasok doon kasi iba-iba naman ng mga customers, personality, di ba? And next is, pasok din dito yung marketing and advertising. And the fourth one, discuss the analysis of strategic factor. Para ito naman yung SWOT analysis. Para ito yung strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats sa isang company. So yung strength naman ng Procter & Gamble is parang sila global presence. Kilala sila sa ibang sa lahat, sa ibang lugar, buong mundo, worldwide. Kasi because of their product, tapos may brand reputation. And also is weakness naman, yung weakness naman na itong Procter and Gamble is yung low organic growth, mga ganon. Tapos yung slow decision making due to company structure, like that. Next is the opportunities naman ng PNG is chance to increase the organic growth. Yung mga ganon kasi na parang nila inaayon nila sa ng nature, mga ganon. Tapos merge tapos also is yung higher purchasing capability. And syempre hindi naman lahat puro magaganda, 'di ba? Mayroon din namang yung threats ng isang company, yung high competition. Syempre lahat naman may mga competition sa isang business, kunwari parang gagayahin yung isang product na ganyan, pero wala sila, kumbaga yung lang naman ng PNG is may brand name sila. Next one is the strategic alternative. Ano nga ba yung strategic alternative? Strategic alternative are different courses of action that a business can pursue to achieve its goals and gain a competitive advantages in the market. Kaya nga may yung parang etong PNG is may growth. Growth niya is yung leveraging brand equity and distribution channels. Kung may isa namang alternative na strategic nila is yung stability. Parang ito naman yung portfolio of diversification of products, tapos ay sa market growth. Next is recommendation. Kung ako naman parang magbibigay ng recommendation sa PNG, if I were given a chance, parang ko yung stability para to lessen the need of particular brands of or product categories, para keep expanding the products of portfolio, parang mas mag-diverse siya worldwide, ganon. Mas umangat pa. Tapos look for chances to grow current brands or launch new one in developing market sectors. Parang mas aangat, parang may mas bagong products pang ilalabas, mga ganon. And the next is implementation program. Syempre dapat ang PNG ay meron silang marketing plan. Yung marketing plan dapat nagko-compose ito ng mga clear communication, create detailed action, mga ganon, para mas mag-sync sila, parang mas may communication sa isa't isa yung mga employees and yung mga mas nakakaangat. And next one is operational plan. Dito naman yung mga clearly defined objective, tapos develop detailed objectives. Parang mas mag-develop ba yung mga, parang mas clear yung mga kailangan gawin, mas detailed, ganon. And next, dapat yung naman PNG is may human resource plan. Parang magpro-provide sila ng training and development, tapos training and development ng mga employee, mga ganon, sa mga dating employee at sa mga papasok pa lang sa PNG. And also mag-evaluate and adjust, parang mag-adjust sila sa kung sa environment na pwedeng gawin para mas mag-improve. Next is management lesson learned. As I study this company simula nung prelim, midterm, pre-final, and up to this finals, parang yung incorporation ng PNG, yung outcomes nito is PNG may set itself up parang for a long-term success and profitability. Parang mas habang tumatagal, parang mas okay yung products, ganon, parang long-term success. Tapos yung mga sa PNG naman is yung innovation nila is maganda. Also is PNG, I learned from the study of valuable management lesson about the need of constant innovation and adaptation of shifting customer preferences and market condition. And that's all for today's presentation. I hope, and that is for today's presentation, the Procter and Gamble Company. Thank you.